I don't need validation to tell me who I am. I'm human. I live the situation, and I've learned to understand. There's no such thing as limitation.
Welcome back to Deirdre's World. That's right, Myra. I'm here with another video. We are going to Margaritaville. Chin. Shania over there. So yeah, we have money for buy. There's something for my phone and me have like, you know. So we are going to look something for eat, and then I see some pink one. I'm say, I like a pink one, I buy. I say I put it on my wish list. I make more put in our wish list to me. I'm make sure I it for me. So yeah guys, we're gonna look something for eat before we're gonna Margaritaville. Because in there expensive, I wanna get it like that, I wanna reach it.
Yeah.
So you have to look food, yeah. I'm like after I know no see me for a long while. But I'm back. I'm back.
Just get a little money.
No sir. I'm back. I wanna tell what kind of video I like to see from me like. I wanna make me know. So I can know no one, so I can go no. So I can come back to reach. Yeah, we are by and then we reach the Margaritaville. We couldn't catch it. Guys, bye. Okay guys, at this point we reached Margaritaville and we're driving in, and we never really know where we're going. Well, my cousin knew because she got there before, but she never really remember. But this was my first time going. So yeah guys, and then we're gonna look some of the parks. So yeah guys, just enjoy my little vlog to Margaritaville. I hope you guys enjoy.
Live life.
Man, let me say, somebody want to jump on it, no? Oh, never mind then. Just walk out the phone. No, sir. Shade Shack. Put your mind. You just walked out of one of my trees. See there. So you think very good. Yeah. No, so you guys reach Margaritaville. I said you Margaritaville. Margaritaville. There's that door. Waitress and all. They have cheesecake. Oh. Are you doing a carry bag? Oh. John. Oh. No. Muang go in there too. One go change in yung pot. I think it's a woman and man restroom. I bought you this look like. I bought you when I get changed in the same. Yeah. No matter show your body too much to make YouTube go flag it. Yeah. Watch my channel about goodie. Yeah. Guys, I'll be back.
5 minutes.
So I'm gonna face dive right this right now. Fish the market time. Fish the market time.
There, I'm in a water. Come with me there.
Yes, good.
Come here.
Like that.
Moshi deep. See more life jacket that chin. See that look at more did they come here? Yeah, some more video. Before we go in there. have a good enough.
You know what's up? They're not going to Sunday. I don't know where I'm going to see.
Assim não? Because one, no, what I gonna do with my phone, man, catch one video when we are going to slide. I'm not lie, guys. Pick up the lifeguard here. I didn't get his name, but big him up. The man video, you know? The man video, we like the man video. I'm not telling no lie. And if you're watching this, so big up yourself. Thank you for recording for me. Guys, at this point, I rethink my decision because I think I get drawn. I literally try to feel for the bottom of the pool and couldn't feel it. But it's like did nice, how they end up go back again. So yeah. What I like is this something step where they come out, it's really high. Like I want something today, I did an iPad. It's hard for me to come out. But yeah, I enjoy myself otherwise than that though.
Thank you.
No! Look at The sunlight is hitting me. Like, come on, look at that beauty.
No. I can't find the ground. Remember, step aside here. Yeah. Which way we are race for? Alright. So we are gonna go down the sun and sleep. Come down. Which one? Kasi may ako si Maggie.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed my little video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you never miss when I drop another banger.